Sheena Bellarmino, fairness to you, ha? Nag-Beyonce ka din doon. Titignan natin kung napakembot mo ba ang ating mga dance masters. Sisimulan natin yan kay Quiz Vong.
Gusto ko yung sige ikembot mo. Problema na yung single ladies. Yung hataw doon sa single ladies, medyo lang nakulangan ako, pero nabigay mo pa naman ng iyong style. Titingnan na natin kung makakalusot ka rito. Kaya good luck sa'yo, Shin.
Thank you po.
Okay, eto naman kaya kay Sir Andy. Nakalusot kaya ang performance ni Sheena. Sir Andy?
For step up, kailangan natin talaga makita yung extra effort, extra choreography, extra techniques, extra galing ng bata. Kung makapasok ka sa level na to, I suggest gumawa ka pa ng mas mahihirap na steps. Pero magaling ka, pleasant kang panoorin kasi ang ganda-ganda mong magsayaw. Importante yon.
Thank you, Sir Andy. Teacher G, ano naman ang masasabi mo sa performance ni Sheena?
Alam mo, Sheena, ang lasap-lasap mong sumayaw. Sobrang sarap niyang panoorin. Nakikita mo na, I am dancing. I am dancing. But, Sheena, I agree with Sir Andy and Kuya Vong. Step up na kasi to. Kailangan nakitaan ka namin ng mas mahirap na steps, may level of difficulty. I'm sure kaya mo yung gawin. Hindi lang namin nakita ngayon. We will see later. But again, congratulations.
Thank you, Teacher G, and thank you, Sheena. Mamaya magkita ulit tayo, ha, para sa results. Okay, thank you.
For never-before-seen videos, follow our official social media accounts at DanceABS-CBN on Facebook, Instagram, Periscope, and Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our official website at dance.abs-cbn.com.